open up this morning. I mean open up, not a huge amount, but the Dow up maybe 20. Look at the Nasdaq, though, 65 points at the upside. Mike Lee with me this morning. Mike, it has been a tough start to the month of April. I know we're not very far into the month, but it's been a fairly tough start. You're a bull. Do you think with the bull market has lost its momentum?
No, not even close. And I think what shows the strength of this bull market is in October, we were looking at 6 rate cuts. Now we're looking at 3, maybe one, maybe 2 over the course of this year. And the market hasn't really slowed down until April this year. So what I would say is a little bit of profit taking. People were waiting till the March to close out to show that their books are up so they can bill on that kind of higher valuation at the end of the quarter. And then now we're just a little bit of profit taking, a little bit of reorganization. But I'm still bullish. I think this AI cycle is nowhere near done. It's a boom. It's the largest technology upgrade we've ever seen in the history of the world.
Okay. You're right. Okay. You're also a Bitcoin bull, I believe. $72,000 per Bitcoin today. Sorry, 70,600 as of right now. You say it's going to continue to run. How high do you think it's going to go?
Yeah, so I think throughout this cycle, so over the next 18 to 24 months, we top 200,000. I think
200,000.
Yes.
Wait. There's a lot of people. I don't mean to single you out, but you pick a very high headline number, and that makes the headline, and everybody looks at you. You really think it's going to be 200,000?
Well, sort of based on historical trading patterns. So what's happening is all the Bitcoin miners, those that process transactions, their reward for processing those transactions is going to get cut in half in a few weeks. Okay, every single halving cycle, which is what it's called when this happens, has led to a triple of the previous cycle high. That previous cycle is about 67,000. Previous cycle high that we saw in 2021. So that puts us right at about 200,000 at the end of this cycle. And like now with the U.S. government creating $1 trillion in new debt every 100 days. Okay, the invention of the ETFs, making it much easier for many investors to own Bitcoin versus owning a cryptocurrency wallet. We've seen a fundamental change. So I would say 200,000 is relatively conservative.
And watch out for that spot ETF on Ethereum that I believe is going to come along. Mike Lee, thanks very much indeed.
Thanks, Stuart.
Let's get back to politics. And Liz Peek still with us here in New York. The op-ed she just wrote, Biden's